In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and use the voice changer feature in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video clip by clicking on the import button and add it to the track. If your video already has audio, you can apply the voice changer directly to it. But if you want to add a voiceover, click on the voiceover button. Record your voiceover by clicking the record button. Once you're done, it will automatically appear as an audio layer on the timeline. To apply the voice changer, select the audio layer in the timeline by tapping on it. Recording a sample voice over. Recording a sample voiced over. With the audio layer selected, click on the voice changer button at the top of the screen. This will open the voice changer panel. In the voice changer panel, you'll find a variety of voice effects like Chipmunk, Santa, Robot, Jessie, and more. Scroll through the options and tap on any effect to preview how it will sound.
Recording a sample voice over.
Recording a sample voiced over. Recording a sample voiced over.
Recording a sample voice over.
Recording a sample voiced over.
Once you've found a voice effect that you like, click on it to add it to your audio layer. Play back your video to hear how the voice effects sound.
Recording a sample voice over. Recording a sample voiced over.
Once you're satisfied with the voice effect, click the export button to save your edited video. And that's it! You've successfully added and customized a voice changer effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!